In this SCUTA tutorial, we will review beliefs, their effect on school counseling programs, and see how we may review and document our beliefs in SCUTA. A belief is something that is accepted, considered to be true, or held as an opinion. Beliefs are uniquely derived from our individual experiences, cultures, and backgrounds. Cognitively, beliefs reside in our long-term memory and evolve over long periods of time. Beliefs about students, families, teachers, and the educational process affect how we support student success. ASCA developed 3 documents to help define the school counseling profession. The ASCA Ethical Standards for School Counselors describes the ethical principles required for professionalism, integrity, and leadership. The ASCA Mindsets and Behaviors for Student Success describes the knowledge, skills, and attitudes successful students exhibit. The ASCA School Counselor Professional Standards and Competencies outlines the mindsets and behaviors school counselors need to succeed. You could download this document here. We will use this document to help us explore our beliefs. First, we'll examine the mindsets, and then we'll review the expected behaviors and actions. Although it is impossible to sense one's mindsets, one's actions can illustrate their desire to develop a comprehensive school counseling program. Every school counselor affects the school counseling program with their beliefs. ASCA has identified mindsets, beliefs about student achievement and success that are beneficial to school counseling. These mindsets have been imported into SCUTA. They are used to help us review, analyze, and document our beliefs. Mindsets have no correlating competencies. Behaviors, on the other hand, demonstrate the implementation of a belief. We categorize these into professional foundation, student services, planning, and assessment. These have also been imported into SCUTA and are professional foundation, direct and indirect student services, planning, and assessment. These behaviors are demonstrated through the implementation of a comprehensive school counseling program. Reviewing our mindsets and behaviors will help us identify fundamental strengths and weaknesses about our beliefs. Our beliefs drive our motivation and focus, which directly affect the outcome of our school counseling programs. To access SCUTA's beliefs, simply go to the School menu and click on Beliefs. The overview shows you what you've already specified. Currently, there's nothing there. So we could click on Edit, and here is where we would type our beliefs. This is where we have keywords and phrases. So let's just say we could have unique, and so on and so on. These are keywords, let's say, that we wanted to use. And let's say that we're putting this, I believe that every student has unique gifts and talents, and so on. So we could build upon this. Before we actually write this, I think it's best to look through the mindsets. And it's hard for me to imagine someone that doesn't agree with all the mindsets. So we would pick this, just check them all. But if there's something that you don't agree with, then just uncheck it. And going down to the behaviors now, for the behaviors, you could do a self-assessment, identify the behaviors that you're already doing, and note the things that you aren't doing. So as you go through here, we could just check the items that we're already doing and leave those that we are not doing unchecked. Simply at the end, hit Save. And then when we go to the overview, it shows us the text that we've entered, and it shows us the items that we've selected. We look at beliefs as a checklist that will provide you with insights into your beliefs. It will affect your vision, mission, and your program in whole. The checklists indicate items you agree with or are actively doing. Of equal importance, though, are the unchecked items, because these may identify items you have omitted, disagree with and need to reevaluate, or were unaware of and need to become more familiar with. Also, The ASCA standard document is critical in understanding the nuances and details of the behaviors and provide guidance to school counselors, school administrators, and school counselor educator programs. It has detailed descriptions of the mindsets, the behaviors, and analysis and more detail on the professional foundations and the behaviors that a school counselor needs to take on. Thank you for watching our SCUTA tutorial, and we hope to see you soon. Thanks for using SCUTA. Bye.